Hey yo, what's up guys? Today we're going to be washing my C10 and we're going to be talking about what I want to do with it and what it has right now. As you can see, the truck is like really grimy. It has like, it's like pretty rough. I'm not sure if you can see. It's like really rough and it's like it doesn't shine that much. So for that we're going to be using S.O.S reusable soap-filled steel wool pads. I used them the other day. I don't know if you guys could tell. Yeah, you can see. I used this like 2 months ago, and I cleaned it all off. It looked pretty good. And then I didn't do it on this side, but you can tell the difference. It's like it looks older, it's less shinier, and it just cleans up very well. So we're gonna be using that. Alright, so I ended up finishing washing the truck, you can see. I got all the nasty stuff off of it. Super smooth. Actually looks really good. I cleaned the front bumper. You can't see the line anymore. It's all like super clean now. I sort of cleaned the wheels. Last time when I originally painted the wheels, I added like this wheel shiner thing. And I just let the truck sitting for a while and it got super nasty. And what else did I do? Yeah, I just hit it with the S.O.S all around the truck. That's about it. I never really properly introduced the truck. It's a 1971 C10. It's a long bed. What I want to do to this truck is I want to make it a short bed. People want to keep long beds around because everybody seems to be cutting them nowadays. But it's my truck at the end of the day. So what I want to do to it is I want to make it a short bed. Another thing I want to do is I ordered custom license plates for them. They should be coming in like 2 months or whenever the next video's out. Hopefully they're in. I want to get the Chevy decal. Also want to get the smaller mirrors. I think they go right here. You see the where the holes are supposed to be at. I'm gonna get rid of these nasty big mirrors. Another thing I'm gonna do is change the window in the back. I don't like how you can open it. I just like one solid window. And when I bought the truck, it came with it, so I'm planning to put that on when I can. There's also this toolbox. Usually I don't like it with the toolbox, but I feel like because it's a long bed, it like makes it look shorter. I don't know. I feel like it's just visual stuff. but that's how I feel about it. So I'm gonna keep it on for a while. Oh, another huge thing too is I want to get rid of these nasty, I don't even know what you would call them, exhaust. I don't know. It's a terrible job too. They're nasty. They're getting ripped up. They're ripped up from right here. They'll shoot up right here. I don't even know what these are. They're kind of loud, but it just sounds really nasty. So I'm planning to get an H pipe for it, and some Spentic mufflers. I'm not sure what Spentic mufflers I want, but I want some Spentic mufflers. I want to like have stages for the truck too. So like from what I mentioned, that's probably what I would want for the truck in this stage. There's also a lot of things I want to do to this truck in the future, but I can't afford that right now. So this will be what I'll do for now. I also want to get some LED tail lights and also some LED headlights. I think the headlights I'm gonna want are the headlights that usually everyone has, like those black ones with like there's lights on top and bottom and left and right. So I'm gonna want those. I might change the turn signals to white ones instead. The orange looks really good, but because the top of the truck is white, I kind of want to get the white ones in the bottom. I think that's about it. I haven't showed you guys the engine, so let's look at that. Hold up. Alright, so it has a 350 engine. It looks pretty nasty. As I said, I don't know much about engines, but here it is. Let's get a better focus on that. Yeah, I wouldn't tell you what I want. I forgot the names. I'm still learning, but it just looks really nasty and it needs a little bit of work. I also don't want it to be like a slow truck, but as I said, that's gonna have to be in the future. For now, I just want it to look good, and so I can just drive it in the meantime. But yeah, I was gonna have to do it for today's video. Next video is probably gonna be doing all the mirrors. I do have them already. Got the mirror. I also got door handles. I forgot to mention. I got door handles too. I don't know why these are kind of rusty, but I got new door handles too, so I'll put those on too. And so yeah, the next video is going to be the door handles, the Chevy decal, the mirrors, probably the plates. If not, that'll be a separate video. And then I'm also going to have a different video with get a new exhaust on there and everything, so it sounds better. So yeah, that's gonna have to do it for today. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.